Could Apple be preparing to introduce its most budget-friendly iPhone yet? A recent post from Tim Cook has sent shockwaves through the tech community, sparking a flurry of speculation. Is the much-anticipated iPhone SE 4 finally making its appearance, or is Apple planning to surprise us with something entirely new? On February 13, Tim Cook shared a cryptic message on X stating, "Get ready to meet the newest member of the family." Wednesday, February 19, while he didn't specify any particular product, the tech world has quickly jumped to the conclusion that this could be the long-awaited iPhone SE 4. The timing of this announcement coincides with rumors circulating for weeks that Apple might unveil this new device soon. However, as always with Apple, nothing is confirmed, leaving us to wonder if there's more to the story. This tease came just a day after Apple took an unexpected step by launching the Apple TV app on Android devices. This move marks a shift for the company, signaling its intent to expand beyond the Apple ecosystem and attract new users. While the Android app release generated some buzz, it wasn't the major reveal many were hoping for. Some speculated that the iPhone SE 4 would be unveiled on February 12th, but instead we saw the Apple TV app make its debut. Now, with Cook's latest message, the spotlight once again shifts to the potential iPhone SE lineup. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, a respected Apple analyst, weighed in on the post, suggesting that Cook's use of the phrase "newest member of the family" could hint at more than just an iPhone SE update. It's possible Apple is planning to rebrand the SE series or introduce a completely new category of affordable devices. If this is the case, it could represent a shift in Apple's strategy for its lower-cost smartphones. If the iPhone SE 4 is indeed the star of the show, it's expected to come with a number of exciting updates. One of the most significant changes could be the removal of the traditional home button, marking a transition to Face ID for the SE series. This would align the device with Apple's more premium models, giving it a more modern feel. Additionally, rumors suggest that the SE 4 could sport a fresh new design, potentially borrowing elements from the iPhone 14. It could also feature integration with Apple Intelligence, a suite of artificial intelligence-powered enhancements aimed at improving everything from photos to Siri interactions. However, Apple isn't stopping with just the iPhone SE 4. Alongside it, there are whispers of another upcoming device, the iPhone 17 Air. This model is rumored to be the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever created, featuring a powerful A19 chip and a single-lens camera system. Some believe this device could replace the iPhone 17 Plus, offering a streamlined design while still delivering the power and performance that Apple is known for. However, this device is expected to be released later in the year, making the February 19 event a focal point for the tech community. As we eagerly await the big announcement, the question remains, what exactly will Apple reveal? While the iPhone SE 4 seems like the most likely candidate, Apple has a knack for keeping its plans under wraps, and there's always the possibility of a surprise product. Could it be a new Apple Watch, a completely new device that no one saw coming, or perhaps an updated version of an existing product, redesigned for the future? Whatever the outcome, it's clear that the February 19 event will be one to watch. Apple's carefully orchestrated teases always stir up excitement, and this time is no different. Whether it's the redesigned iPhone SE 4 or an entirely new product, this announcement has the potential to set the stage for the company's next big move. What are your thoughts on Apple's upcoming reveal? Do you think it's the iPhone SE 4, or could Apple have something else in store? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest Apple news, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Samsung Galaxy S25 users have encountered an unexpected issue when taking photos, unwanted horizontal or vertical lines appearing in their shots. This problem, commonly known as banding, has left many frustrated, especially when capturing images in low light conditions. Reports from Reddit and Samsung forums indicate that this issue is widespread, affecting multiple models, including the premium Galaxy S25 Ultra. Despite its powerful 200-megapixel camera, even this high-end device isn't immune to the problem. Users have noted that night mode often introduces streaks of light or dark bands, while strong lighting and high-contrast environments seem to worsen the effect. Interestingly, switching to expert RAW mode or using third-party camera apps appears to eliminate the issue, suggesting that Samsung's image processing software may be responsible, rather than a hardware flaw. The first mentions of this issue came from a Galaxy S25 owner who noticed a recurring thick line with an unusual color in their photos. As more users started reporting similar experiences, it became clear that this wasn't an isolated problem. The growing number of complaints led to further investigation, with many wondering whether the issue stemmed from software optimization rather than a hardware defect. Some have attempted to troubleshoot the problem on their own, and a few solutions have been shared. Adjusting the shutter speed to 30 seconds in Pro mode has been effective for some, helping to minimize the appearance of white bands. Others have tried reducing post-processing intensity to medium, though this fix has had mixed results, with some users still seeing unwanted lines. Samsung has acknowledged the complaints and confirmed that they are working on a solution. A company spokesperson stated that an update is being released to address multiple camera-related concerns, including image stabilization and post-processing improvements. While this update is expected to help, it remains uncertain whether it will fully eliminate the banning issue or if additional refinements will be necessary in future updates. Software glitches are common in newly released smartphones, and companies usually fine-tune their devices through updates over time. For now, it appears that not every Galaxy S25 unit is affected, but for those experiencing the issue, it has been a frustrating discovery. Alongside the camera glitch, some Galaxy S25 users have also reported overheating problems. It is still unclear whether the latest software update will address this concern, but with only a week since its release, the device has already faced two major complaints. While Samsung has been quick to acknowledge the camera issue, users are still waiting to see if overheating will be resolved as well. The company's prompt response to the camera problem is reassuring, showing their commitment to improving user experience, but whether they can fix these issues completely remains to be seen. Every smartphone launch comes with minor software bugs, but some believe that a flagship device of this caliber should have undergone more thorough testing before release. Others argue that no phone is flawless on launch day and early software patches are simply part of modern smartphone development. The real question is whether Samsung could have prevented these problems before shipping the Galaxy S25, or if users should expect such hiccups with any new device. What do you think? Should Samsung have done a better job in testing, or is this just part of the usual early release experience? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Samsung is preparing to introduce a new type of foldable smartphone, and recent leaks suggest it could be a game changer. The company has been leading the foldable phone industry for years, and now all eyes are on what could be its first tri-folding device. While details remain unconfirmed, reports indicate that this upcoming model might share a key feature with the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7. Rumors suggest that Samsung's tri-fold smartphone, which is being referred to as the Galaxy G Fold, could come with a 6.49-inch cover screen, the same size expected for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This would be a step up from the 6.3-inch display seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Interestingly, Samsung has already used the 6.49-inch display of the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, hinting that it might become the standard for its foldable lineup. With such a significant step forward in foldable technology, some might wonder why the outer screen isn't larger or more distinctive, especially since a tri-folding phone is expected to offer something entirely new. However, the real innovation lies in the device's design and durability rather than just the display size. Unlike other tri-folding smartphones that rely on a single massive screen, Samsung appears to be taking a different route. The device is rumored to feature two separate panels that fold inward twice, ensuring the main screen remains fully protected when not in use. This design could make the phone far more durable than competitors like Huawei's Mate X-D, which features a 10.2-inch display that folds both inward and outward. Since part of Huawei's screen is always exposed, it remains vulnerable to damage, making durability a concern. Samsung's approach, however, keeps the primary display safe from external elements, potentially improving the phone's lifespan. Despite the added protection, this design choice might come with some drawbacks. Having two separate panels could make the device heavier,